Hello everyone, this is my third video. Anyone miss my first and second video, please watch that video first and come to this video. Okay, today I am discuss about revising VLAN configuration. Okay, let's move to the video. You can see my today diagram. It have three VLANs. You can see VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. It's all the IP addresses are you can see in VLAN. This PC.1.2 IP addresses and this VLAN 10, 3 and 4 and VLAN 20.65 IP address 129.130. You can see all the IP address are in here. And I am already assigned IP addresses. Okay. Now move to today video first step. Okay. First open switch 1, CLI, enable configure terminal, and you can see VLAN 10 have two PCs. Therefore, the two PCs are connected to these two interfaces. Therefore, I insert interface range. Interface range F0/1 and 2. Now assign VLAN. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN. This is 10. Now okay. Exit and next interface range. You can see VLAN 13 interfaces are 3 and 4. Therefore, interface F0/3 and 4. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30 and press exit. Okay. Let's move to next switch. Switch CLI, open, enable, configure terminal, interface range. You can see this interface is VLAN 10. It are connected to interface 1 and 2. Therefore, interface range F0/1 2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Press exit. Next interface range. You can see this VLAN 20 have one PC. Therefore, it connected one interface. And also it have no interface range. Therefore, interface F0/3. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Press and then exit. Interface. Next, move to show interface brief. Now you can see interfaces VLAN F0/1 and 2 connected. VLAN 10 and F0/3 connected to VLAN 20. Okay. Now let's move to our next system. You can see switch G0/2 port. Now all the port can access all the VLANs. Therefore, I am connected trunk. interface G0/2 switch port mod trunk switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20 and 30 G0/2 interface. Sorry, allowed. Okay, now no shutdown exit. Okay, now move to switch 1 and interface G0/ make trunk switch port mod trunk switch port trunk allowed VLAN this VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 10 and 20 exit. Next move to next switch and interface G0/1 switch port mod trunk allowed VLAN 10 and 30 VLAN 10 and this VLAN 30. No shutdown, press exit. Okay, all the switch configuration are complete. Now move to next router 1. Can see no enable config terminal interface G0/2.10 and 10 means VLAN 10. Now encapsulation .1q IP address 10.0.1. This network you can see 26 bits network prefix, therefore 2 bits using for create network and their first network address is 10.0.1.0. This network first usable address is 1 and last usable address I'm using this port. Last usable address means 62 and 255.255.255.192 exit. Now move to in VLAN 20 encapsulation 20 and IP address this 20 network address is 64 and first usable address is 65 and last usable address is 190 and this is this interface IP address. Press exit. Next move to VLAN 30 .30 IP address 30 means network address 128 oh sorry I missed one configuration part, sorry about that. Exit. You can see this interface encapsulation 20 IP address 64. Last usable address is 1226. Yeah, but first time insert 192. Sorry about that. And press exit and move to in the VLAN 30 encapsulation 30 IP address 90 and exit interface G0 to no shut up. Okay, it's done. All the configuration are finished. You can see all the PC IP I already insert. You can see default gateway I'm using 62. It's been, you can see G0/2.10 use 64. Therefore it is this VLAN 10 default gateway. Therefore I'm using VLAN PC 62 for default gateway. And all the, you can see VLAN 13 I'm using 190 default gateway, and VLAN 20 I'm using default gate 126. Okay, now move to ping PCs. Ping this PC ping 10.0.1.3. You can see all the packet sends and receive. Now move to this VLAN PC 1.64. You can see all the packet are sent and received. Okay. Finally, you can see all the networks are working perfectly. All the packets are sent and received. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Next video I will update soon. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.